Ever wonder how a creative passion, something as small and simple as a single bead, can grow into a really powerful brand? Well, today, we're going to unpack that exact process. We're looking at the blueprint of a real-world business to see exactly how it's done.
So, this is the big question we're tackling. We're going to follow the journey from this one tiny component all the way to a full-fledged business identity. We'll discover the essential blueprint that helps a brand really, truly connect with people.
Okay, so first things first, every great brand starts with a crystal clear sense of self, its identity. You can think of it as the brand's DNA, right? It's the foundation that everything else is built on. So let's meet the brand at the heart of our case study.
Meet Michael Beaters Limited. They're a handmade enterprise based in Nairobi, Kenya, and their whole craft is about creating these unique, really meaningful accessories from all kinds of beautiful materials. And this isn't just about jewelry. It's about making art that you can actually wear. Now, that term creative enterprise is a really key distinction here. It means the purpose of the business goes way beyond just selling a product. The real goal is to give people a way to express themselves, a way for customers to share their personality, their culture, and their own unique style. So, let's move to the next layer of the blueprint, the brand's mission and its values. This is the why, the reason that drives every single decision they make, from picking out one tiny bead to how they talk to a customer. This is the brand's heartbeat.
And here's their purpose, straight from them. Notice their mission isn't just to sell beads. No way. It's to inspire confidence and individuality. Now that is a powerful statement. It elevates the product into a whole experience and gives all their work a really clear direction.
So how do they actually bring that mission to life? Well, it's through these 5 core values. And what's cool is that each one is like a direct promise to you, the customer. Creativity means your piece is unique. Quality means it's gonna last. Customer focus means your ideas are heard. Authenticity means you're buying something with a real story. And affordability, well, that just makes it all accessible. This is their brand DNA in action.
All right, so now that we get the brand's philosophy, let's see what they actually create. We're moving from the why to the what, checking out the unique products that are the physical proof of their mission and values.
Their approach to waist beads is just a perfect example of this. This is an item that's so rich with cultural heritage, and Michael Beaters Ltd. Totally honors that tradition, but they also offer these modern designs that are focused on contemporary fashion. It shows they get their roots and their current market. It's a really smart balance.
And their product range is just incredibly versatile. It's not just one thing. You've got everything from bracelets and anklets to matching sets for couples and even big event orders for weddings or corporate gifts. The most important part here is customization, that ability to make every single piece personal and totally unique. Okay, so a strong identity and a great product line, that's only half the battle, right? A successful brand has to know exactly who it's talking to, and just as important, how to reach them. This next part of the blueprint is all about making that connection.
Just look at how clearly they've defined their audience. Instead of trying to sell to absolutely everyone, they focus on young adults, fashion lovers, people seeking cultural pieces, and gift shoppers. This lets them tailor their marketing, their designs, and how they talk to people with laser focus. And this is how they connect with all those people. It's a multi-channel approach. They are all over social media like Instagram and TikTok, which is obviously perfect for their target market. But they also use direct sales through things like WhatsApp and local markets, which creates a really nice personal touch. They literally meet their customers exactly where they are.
So, what makes a customer choose them over a competitor? Well, it boils down to this super simple 3-step promise: full customization, affordable prices, and excellent service. This isn't just a list of features. It's a pledge. It builds trust and makes the buying decision way easier.
And finally, we get to the last piece of our brand blueprint, the vision for the future. You see, a brand isn't static. It has to evolve. A strong brand is always looking ahead, guided by a clear vision and some real, actionable goals to get there.
Here it is, their long-term ambition. The key words that really jump out to me here are trusted and recognizable. They don't just want to sell products, they want to build a reputation for quality and creativity that really stands out, both in their local Kenyan market and all across the digital world.
And this is how they're going to turn that vision into a reality. These aren't just vague dreams. They are specific, actionable goals.
Building their online presence, launching new collections, and expanding into corporate gifting, these are all concrete steps toward becoming that recognized regional brand they want to be.
So, what's the big takeaway from this whole blueprint? It's that a powerful brand is an ecosystem. It's got to be rooted in a clear identity, it's fueled by a defined mission, and it thrives by connecting authentically with its audience.
You know, Michael Bieters LT is telling a story of creativity, culture, and personal expression, one beat at a time. And it leaves us with a really great question to think about for any project or passion we might have. Every brand tells a story. What will yours be?